Using predicates basically means the pre-filtering of input values. It's similar to using the filter and map functions together. Let's see an example. Let's assume we have some numbers and we want to get the list of their values multiplied by 5, but only if the original number is even. If it's odd, we don't want to see it in the result list. In the filter and map-based solution, we have to create a pretty complicated expression to express this intention. We have unnecessary parentheses and lambdas all around. Using a comprehension with predicate is a much worse solution. You just have to put the if keyword and the condition at the end of the comprehension. The last thing I want to show you is nesting comprehensions. Assume you want to create not just a list, but a list of lists. Assume you have some numbers 1, 2, 3 and some letters A, B, C, and you want to combine them. You want to create a list for every number, which list contains all letters with the given number together. So we want to get the list of A1, B1, C1, the list of A2, B2, C2, and the list of A3, B3, C3 in a common list. The common way to do that would be this: iterating through the numbers and letters, combine them, append to a list, and append the list to the result list. It's quite complicated compared to the simplicity of the task. With nested comprehensions, it's much simpler to do the same. Here we have an outer comprehension, and it has an inner comprehension as its output expression. It means for every number you want to create a list in which you have an element for every letter combined with the number. It has the same result as the nested for solution, but it's much more terse and readable. You don't have to write appends, list initializations, so the 6 original lines can be expressed with one single line.